Crunchified clean friend, you ever look at your carpet and think to yourself, yeah, that looks clean. But is it though? Especially if you have dogs, you need to get a dog brush. And I'm not talking about the kind of brush that you brush your cute little doggy with. I'm talking about one of these where you brush the dog hair off the carpet. When it comes to carpets and rugs, the fibers are very thick and they will trap dirt, dust, debris, dog hair, all those ugly D's. So just vacuuming does not guarantee that you pick everything up. So when you have a dog, if you can use a brush like this kind, that will help bring the dog hair out of the fibers of the carpet, and then you vacuum it. I love just seeing it come up. I have a client with 2 adorable black labs and they shed like crazy, but they're so cute. But that dog hair, so these dog brushes, they come in handy. I rake it across the steps and it makes my clients' stairs look so much better and Crunchified clean. Link down below if you want to check them out. Let me know what you think. And get yourself a very good vacuum cleaner that's made specifically for pet hair. This one is amazing.